Welcome to this buyer's guide for the Dreame D9 Max Gen 2. We will look at how this robot vacuum navigates the trade-offs between raw cleaning power, budget pricing, and the level of automation it offers. In the budget-friendly $200 to $300 price tier, you have to choose your compromises. The Dreame D9 Max Gen 2 makes a clear decision. It prioritizes raw power over total automated convenience. The D9 Max Gen 2 is a fascinating contradiction. It packs high-end performance specs, like a 6,000 Pascal suction system and long battery life, into a chassis that requires manual maintenance. Raw power is the highlight here. Its 6,000 Pascal suction effectively manages both fine debris and larger spills, while the all-rubber floating brush helps minimize hair tangles, making it a great choice for pet owners. Equipped with Smart Pathfinder LiDAR, this robot maps your home accurately and cleans in efficient straight lines. You also get full control through the app, including scheduling and setting virtual boundaries. However, there are limits. While the LiDAR is excellent for navigation, the lack of an AI camera means poor object avoidance. It struggles with small floor-level items, so it is not ideal for homes with lots of clutter. The mopping functionality is designed for light surface cleaning. Because there is no auto lift or carpet sensor, you will need to manually prepare your floors and mop pad to avoid getting rugs damp. Remember, you become the maintenance team for this device. You will need to manually empty the dustbin, wash the mop pad, and clean the filter regularly. Proactive maintenance is key to keeping it running well. When we compare the market, the D9 Max Gen 2 stands out for its high suction power at a budget price point. It sits between basic dumb bots and expensive, fully automated premium models. Does it fit your home? If you have mostly hard floors and a clean, minimalist environment, this robot thrives. But if you have mixed flooring and lots of clutter, the manual labor required might become a frustration. In summary, choose this model if you want top-tier suction on a budget and don't mind manual chores. However, pay extra for a premium auto-dock system if you need a truly hands-off, set-it-and-forget-it cleaning experience. Ultimately, the Dreame D9 Max Gen 2 is a powerful tool disguised in a high-friction package. Understand your home's needs and your personal habits before making your purchase.